In this vlog, we will see how to populate a list view in our Flutter application. So the list is a basic component which we use in almost every application. So the list is used to populate the data dynamically in our application. So whenever you are considering to populate a number of strings to a text view, so there you need to use multiple text views to populate them these multiple strings. So sometimes you don't know how many list views, how many strings you might need to be populated. So this is a dynamic way of populating data onto the screen. So now let us see how we are implementing it in our application now. So let us initialize our void main and consider the my app, which is extending a stateless widget here. And also here you can see we have defined a course list here of the different courses, and it is of the format string here. So here it is of the data type string here. So now let us see, we are returning a material app inside which we have defined a scaffold, and also we have specified an app bar, and the app bar name, hit the title we have provided is courses. And here in the container we have provided some padding, and also we have created a class called homepage, and we are passing the course here, the list. So here we have returned a material app inside which we have considered a scaffold, and we have also defined an app bar. So we have provided the title for the app bar here, courses, and in the body we have defined a container, and in the container child we have specified the homepage class, which is also accepting a parameter course, which is nothing but the list we have defined in the earlier. So now let us go through the class homepage here, which is extending a stateless widget again. So here we have defined a variable course here, which is a list, and here we are also accepting the parameter, and we are passing it to our variable here. So here you can see we have returning a list view builder here, inside which we are considering the item count. So the item count is nothing but how many rows we are now we require to populate in the list view. So how can we know this? Here let us see, we are having a list course. So by knowing the length of the list view we can find the item count here. So the number of items in the list is equal to the number of rows in our list view, right? So now with the help of the item builder we are passing the parameters context and position here. So based on the position we will be populating the row accordingly. So here we have provided some padding, and also you can see here we have provided a card view inside which we have specified the color of the card view and also the padding. Here the padding inside the card view we have provided here. So vertical and horizontal padding we have provided inside the card views, and here we have specified the text view inside the card view. So with the help of the position we are passing the list here. So the course is nothing but the list here, and the position is starting from 0. So the course of 0 is nothing but C will be populated here, and then 1 2 3 incrementally it will follow. So now let us try to see the output once so that you will get much clarity here. So here you can see the output, and the card view here you can see it is a little bit elevated here, and these are the list of courses which we have been populated in our list view. And here you can see we have also specified the font size and the height here for the text, and this you can change according to your design requirements. And this is how we implement a list view in a Flutter. So this is a basic list view example, and if you are having any queries in the implementation, or if you are having any doubts and you want to know some more information regarding the list views, do let me know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.